Oh, yeah, I was thinking that when I saw
All right, let's go. Yeah, this is a serious operation here, wow. There's a lot of workers here, wow. This operation is amazing. Serious operation, wow. Like a suction. All right, pretty cool. Alright, so at this time of the night, this is the area. It gets kind of dark over that way. So in Coney Island, once you hit 15th Street here, you kind of you're out of the area that you're supposed to be in here for the nighttime festivities. So let's walk back a little.
1, 2, 3. Ya. Porque será aquí.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Alright. We got the bumper car rides with the music going on. Alright. It's wild. It sounds like the music's across the street, but it's over here. Alright, yeah, we got some copyright. I definitely gotta talk over this track. I know that. Totally. Let's go. Let's go. They got a party going on over there. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sure everyone knows that song. That's a classic right there. That's for every party. Every party has that song. That is a party song for every party. Okay, so you can walk in through here, I guess. I think we were already in here. Yeah, there's the Wonder Wheel. So yeah, we strolled around. I'm not sure exactly if there's this spot. There's a lot around here. There's a lot of space. A lot of amusement park stuff going on. But yeah, that's the flywheel section. Got the Wonder Wheel back there. The Cyclone over here. The Surf City Pizzeria, Pasta and Restaurant across the street.